In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Meta AI on Instagram. So it doesn't matter whether you are a beta user or not, the Meta AI is not available in most regions. So if you are struggling to get the Meta AI on your Instagram account, I'm going to show you the steps to get this on your Instagram account. However, the first way to know whether you've gotten the Meta AI up feature on your Instagram account is click on the chat app at the top right. Then you should see the Meta AI logo here. Ask Meta AI anything. That's just before the filter button. Then you set that. Then if you click on the Meta AI just like this, and you can start chatting with the Meta AI straight away. Now, in this video, I'll show you how you can easily get the Meta AI on your Instagram account. To do this, the first you want to do is go to the App Store on your device. Whether you're using Android or iPhone, all you need to do is go to your App Store. On the App Store, search for Instagram, and then click on it. Tap the Instagram application. Then you want to make sure you update the Instagram application to the latest version if there is an update waiting for you. Now, once you are done updating the Instagram application, click on the open button to open the Instagram app. And once you click on the open button to open the Instagram app, this is what you're going to see. You'll be taken to your Instagram home screen just like this. Click on the chatting app at the top right. Then you should set this page like this. That is all your chat on Instagram. At the top of the chart, you should see Meta AI absolutely study break R. Then click on that, and there you go. So the Meta AI will be activated on your Instagram account. You can then send a message or create a daily command on the Meta AI or your Instagram account. So if this is helpful on how to get the Meta AI on Instagram, if you want to hit the button, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.